Hi, and welcome to Pen and Pad. In today's adventure, we're going to be drawing the one, the only Bluey. So, let's jump right in. Grab a pen, or a pencil, and some paper, and let's begin with Bluey and his eyes. First, let's begin with a nice oval. Awesome, looks good. And then what we're going to do is do a pupil. And we'll color this in later. And then what we're going to do is do a straight line for his nose. And then stop. And now we're going to keep going, but we're going to come down into like a triangle for his nose. Bam, there we go. Okay, then his other eye is kind of hiding behind his nose. So we're going to come up and over, down, then the pupil again, which we'll color in a little bit. Then his nose does have a little bit of a glistening or reflection, I guess, there. Then we're going to come here to the kind of right in between the two corners. We're going to come down and around and finish off his mouth/nose. Then come up, then do a little C. There we go, looking good. All right, and then what we're going to do is we're going to get his eyebrows, which are just kind of like two little curves and up. There we go. One more this way. There we go. And then we're going to connect this down right past the eye. Awesome. Connect the two over here. Yep. Then we're going to come out straight and then come down. Awesome. Let's get his ears. We're just going to come up at an angle. Well, actually, let's do this. Let's do a straight line from midway on his eyebrows. Straight up. Stop. And now we're going to do a straight line here to the corner. Awesome, just like that. Then let's do an inside outline where we just copy what was there before. Perfect. And then here we're going to want to do a straight line up for his other ear. And then we're going to connect all the way back to this eyebrow. Awesome. And copy it. There we go. All right. Now let's finish off the rest of his body. Well, yeah, just about. So let's add a little curve down here, then stop. Let's do his arm. So we're going to just do two parallel lines. So we're going to come straight down. I'm going to just do like a little bubble. I'm going to do a finger. One. Come in. Stop. One more. Come in. Stop. One more. Come in. Stop. And then we're going to follow back up to the parallel line. There we go. Then he's got a little line right there. Then we'll connect. Awesome. Now what we're going to do is we're going to come down, follow this line down. We're going to come straight down and then curve and then connect back to this glove / hand. I guess it's his paw, right? Curve ever so slightly. Done. Sweet. All right. Then what we're going to do is do his legs. Come down. And just a little round. Then almost a straight line, but slightly curved. Stop. And then what we're going to do is come down with a straight line and connect. Straight line down. And connect. Awesome. We'll just add a little line here. Little paw print there. Awesome. And one more leg. So same thing, we're going to do a straight line down. Slight curve. Straight line down. And we're going to stop. Do a little curve out. We're going to connect with a slightly curved line. Just slightly curved. Connect. Connect. Awesome, we're looking good. Now we're just missing a tail. Then we're going to add in some details and then we'll be done. So for his tail, we're going to come down. Stop. Curl in. Do an oval. Stop. Curl. Curl. And now we're going to come all the way up to his hand. And there we go. A line there. A line here. His belly's also got a thinner, lighter blue. So we're going to come up and around. And follow it down. Okay. Then we got a few more details. He obviously has some spots. So we're going to do spot up here. Half circle. This one we're going to do a little bit more of an oval. Almost like a half oval. Awesome. And then we got a really big one that's going to start here at the eye and curve to the side. And then curve up to the eyebrow. Awesome. Same thing over here. Just going to curve there. And then what we're going to do is the rest of his nose and mouth area is kind of this brown, but we want to outline it. So I'm going to come right here to the bottom and circle around and then come up right before the nose. And then he also has like this slight light blue layer going around too. So we're going to just outline this one more time. Come around. And connect. Awesome. Okay, and then what we're going to do is we're just going to add some color, darken his eyeballs, nose, and then be done. And then bam! There we go. That is our finished product. You can see we have it all colored in. Looks so nice. Looks just like Bluey from the show. Got the nice polka dots, or I guess, yeah, polka dots, I guess we could say, or spots on him. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up. And subscribe for more great videos of how to draw awesome characters, superheroes, and all that fun stuff. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.